This tutorial is about how to load real-time sensor information into the Cook Inlet Response Tool. The map connects with over 3,000 sensors across the state and retrieves the most recent information on air temperature, precipitation, wind, waves, and many other parameters, as well as webcam images. For this tutorial, we're going to start from a blank map with no layers loaded. If you access the Cook Inlet Response Tool through a bookmark or link, you may already have the sensors loaded, but we want to make sure you can get there yourself. We'll start by loading the terrain base layer and making it black and white. Next, we'll type sensors into the search box. We'll click on the layer and it will appear in the legend and load on the map. Now, our map is populated with hundreds of dots signifying station locations. Those with red vectors have wind sensors and are indicating relative wind speed and direction. Those with colored circles are indicating the latest air temperature. You can hover over each station to get a preview of recent data and see which sensors are available. If you click on the station, it will load the data from the past week. You can click through different parameters that are being measured at that station if there are more than one. You can also click a link to find the source data, for instance, the National Weather Service site where this particular data is coming from. If you're looking for a specific station or a specific type of information, you may want to filter the amount of sensor stations on the map. By clicking on Data Filter, you can select particular parameters that you're interested in. For example, we can just load air temperature and see the stations that are measuring air temperature. Or we can view by source, the entity who owns the sensor. Here we'll click on NOAA's National Data Buoy Center and see which stations they own. Additionally, you can type search terms into the search box. If you'd like to share your view with others, you can bookmark it by using the link button on the top left. This provides a concise URL you can copy and paste into a browser or email. Those are the basics for accessing real-time sensors.